Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 7, Canyon Creek, par 5. One of the toughest and most beautiful par 5s in Arizona. From the tees, golfers play over a wild and rocky creek bed to the fairway. A most challenging 3-shot hole which demands respect. Most smart golfers will play it safe for a 5 or a 6. For the bold, the risks are high, but the reward can be very satisfying. This double dogleg twists and turns through pine-covered ridges, following the creek to a narrow green, which is placed between an abrupt hillside and the creek. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 7, Canyon Creek, par 5.